Max loved water. He loved splashing around in the bathtub and watering flowers with a small watering can. But the big pool, which sparkled blue, seemed like an entire ocean to him. Today was the first lesson in the deep end. Max saw how other, braver children dived and splashed around like little dolphins. He really wanted to join them, but that edge was so far from the bottom. Coach Svetlana came over and sat down next to him. "Max, the big jump seems scary, doesn't it?" she said quietly. Max nodded without looking up. "But you know what?" Svetlana continued. "The greater the fear, the greater the pride when you overcome it. Don't be afraid to make a splash. Let's do it together." Max stood up and walked to the very edge. He took a deep breath, just as his mother had taught him. The water was so blue and so deep. His heart was pounding. Thump, thump, thump. What if I can't do it? He looked at Svetlana, who was smiling and giving him a thumbs up. Max closed his eyes and pushed off with all his might. Boom! It wasn't just a splash, it was an explosion. The water rose high, higher than Svetlana's head, and crashed back down like rain. Max surfaced. He blinked, shaking water from his eyelashes. He was wet, very, very wet, but his face, it was glowing. He laughed. The children and Svetlana, everyone who was nearby, laughed and applauded. Clap, clap, clap. Max did it, and what a magnificent, loud jump it was. Max understood. A big splash isn't just a lot of water, it was a big step forward. And now he knew, if you make a big splash, you make big progress.